Stage 3 is the spread stage. Now what's happened in stage 3 is there's been too much pressure on the liver in this example, so the radiant energy is now starting to spread out of the liver. The first place it'll always go, because it's a support of the liver is major support of the digestive system and the small intestine, so it goes straight to the small intestine. And what happens when this radiant energy spreads out of the liver and goes into the small intestine, we start getting deficiencies. Amino acid deficiencies, mineral deficiencies, yeah? This is when people start to lose that connection with themselves, being in tune with themselves. It's when people start having those moments where there's indecision. Yeah, they can't make clear decisions for themselves, they always have uncertainty. Who's had that before? Yeah, that's when we're in the spread stage, deficiencies. And remember, this is only focused on radiant energy, yeah?